Hello to all my viewers. This is Dr. Dhaval Maheta, and today we'll understand how to plot self-organizing map in Orange. Self-organizing map is a type of artificial neural network that is trained using unsupervised learning to produce a two-dimensional discretized representation of the data. It is a method to do the dimensionality reduction. Self-organizing maps use a neighborhood functions to preserve the topological properties of the input space. The points in the grid, just see here. The points in the grid represent the data instances. By default, the size of the point corresponds to the number of instances represented by the point. The points are colored by the majority class if available, while the intensity of the interior color shows the proportion of majority class. So you can see here X and Y, and this is the input vector, and these are the weights. Now let's see how we can do this in Orange. So for this, we will go on the canvas, activate the file widget. Now double click on it, browse documentation datasets. In this, we are having a dataset iris.tab, press open. This is the name of the variable, type and role. All are numeric. Iris, the variable is categorical, and make sure its role is specified as target. Values are iris setosa, iris versicolor, iris virginica. Close it. Now you go in unsupervised and activate self-organizing map. Click here. Connect file with the self-organizing map. Just wait for some time. Now double click on it. Make sure hexagonal grid is on. The structure is same as this one. First, random initialization, then activate initialize with principal component analysis, start. Now the size of the circle represents number of instances. You can see here iris setosa, 8 instances are there. Moreover, there is no overlapping of the color also. So the classification has been done correctly. Just see here, all blue colors, red color and green color. Now click on show pie charts. So just see here, over your mouse here, iris versicolor 2, iris virginica 1. So the pie chart turns points into a pie that shows a distribution of values used for coloring. Now select any one of them and close it. Connect this to the data table. So it will only display this 8 instances. Okay, close this. Again, go in self-organizing map. Select all blue ones. Close it. Now double click on it and just see iris setosa. So this was all about how to plot self-organizing maps in Orange. For more videos on data mining using Orange, kindly subscribe to my channel. You can also refer my playlist in which I uploaded videos on data science, machine learning and artificial intelligence. Please don't forget to like and share my videos. You can also follow me on different social media, link given in the description box.